Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create technology tunnel blue lines background in Adobe Illustrator. Use rectangle tool to draw a horizontal shape. Use eyedropper tool shortcut I to pick color. Fill color R0, G8, B54. Select shape and go to object menu and lock and selection. Use ellipse tool to draw a circle shape. Outline stroke 4 point. Outline gradient color. Left side gradient slider R0, G255, B255 and right side gradient slider R1, G12, B64. Copy Ctrl C, paste in front Ctrl F. Increase size of the circle. Select both circle shapes and go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specify steps 30. Again go to object menu and blend and make Alt Ctrl B. Go to effect menu and distort and transform and often. Size 5% and select relative and detail 1. Points corner. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F and increase size. Select small one and apply screen blending mode from transparency panel. Shift Ctrl F10. Use ellipse tool to draw a circle shape. Fill color R0, G169, B157. Select shape and go to effect menu and stylize and feather. You can change radius or edit in the feather from appearance panel. Shift F6. Click on feather and radius 175 pixel. Select shape and apply color bond blending mode from transparency panel. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Apply color dodge blending mode from transparency panel. Increase the size of the shape. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Draw a horizontal shape and select all and right click and make clipping mask. Finally, your tunnel blue lines background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create tunnel background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.